Hello and welcome to the course on machine learning. This is Kirill Eremenko, and I'd like to say that Hadelin and I are super excited to have you inside this class. And you're probably wondering, why is there a timer on your screen? Well, the reason is that we are so excited to have you on board that we want to get you excited and pumped about learning machine learning and applying what you learn in your day-to-day life. And that's why we're going to show you 10 examples of how machine learning is used in the real world, so you can get super excited that you're learning these things at the moment in this class. So we've got 2 minutes, 20 seconds left. It's a huge challenge. I'm going to throw all of these examples at you very quickly to get you very excited. So let's get started. All right. Machine learning applications. Number one, Facebook facial recognition. Everybody knows this. When you upload a photo, Facebook somehow knows already who your friends are and tags them automatically. Well, that's a machine learning algorithm in action. There's a device, or still is, you can still buy it. It's called Kinect. It didn't really lift off, but that's like a marketing thing. But it's a really cool device. It looks at your actions, and you don't have to have a joystick, and you can play games on your Xbox. And actually it uses a machine learning algorithm called Random Forest, which we'll discuss in great detail inside this class. Then there's the virtual reality headsets, where you turn your head and the picture moves, and how does the machine know, how does the headset know what to portray? Well, that's a machine learning algorithm monitoring your actions and connecting them to the game or whatever you're looking at. Then on your phone, so if you have an iPhone, you'll see this little button where you can do text to speech to text or voice recognition, and when you click that button, it recognizes what you're saying. Well, that's a machine learning algorithm in action again. Then we've got robot dogs, and they learn how to walk, and it's very interesting how they teach them how to walk. They don't just put an algorithm in them most of the time. They actually use a algorithm or a machine learning method called reinforcement learning, so the dogs learn how to walk on their own. Very interesting, and another thing that we'll discuss inside this course. So let's have a look how much time we have. 40 seconds. All right. So Facebook ads, they know you better than you know yourself. Machine learning. Amazon, Netflix, Audible all use machine learning for their recommender systems. Machine learning is used in medicine. I personally know a data scientist who uses machine learning to save lives of people on a daily basis. Machine learning is used in space to recognize certain areas of the world through maps, and machine learning is used to explore new territories such as Mars. All right, how are we going for time? Still have 8 seconds left. Wonderful. So hopefully that got you excited. That's just 10 examples of machine learning and how it's used in the real life. And in this course, we'll look at many different machine learning algorithms, those that are used in these examples and those that are used in other examples. So hopefully you're going to enjoy this class and find your own ways to apply machine learning in the real world. And we can't wait to see you on the next tutorial. Until then, enjoy machine learning.